This is a short tutorial on how to use a Google form to actually collect URLs from students for projects. And this form can be used to collect any type of project that is created with a URL. So it could be a Prezi, it could be Glogster, it could be a blog, any of those items. Today, I'm specifically going to use it to set up a Google form to collect blog URLs so that then we can use those in an RSS feed to easily manage multiple blogs from students. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go to Drive and I'm going to create a form. So I'm going to go to Drive, and in Google Drive to the left you'll notice I have a Create button. So I am going to select that, and I want to go down to a Google form. And this Google form makes it really easy for students to put the information in, and then the teacher has access to the information through a spreadsheet. So I'm going to choose a theme, so let's just go with Bluebirds for now. And I am going to add questions. So my first question, I am going to need the student's first name. So I'm going to do first name. And I don't think I need any helpful text there, but I do want to make this a text box. And I do want this to be a required question, so they can't submit the form without putting their first name in. So I will click Add an Item. And now I would like last name. And this is also going to be text, and I want to do required question again. And add an item. Now in this spot, I am actually going to collect blog URLs from 5th grade students in different classes. So I might put teacher's name. However, if you are a secondary teacher, you might put class period and put first, second, third, fourth, fifth, so that once you get this information in a spreadsheet form, you can quickly sort these by class or by a specific group. So I'm going to do teacher's name, and I want this to be a multiple choice. And the first choice is going to be Mrs. Evans. And the second choice will be Mr. Turner, and then Dr. Laughlin. And I also want this to be a required question. And I'm going to add one more, and this is going to be the blog or the project URL. So I'm going to put blog URL, and I am going to put a helpful hint here. Please copy and paste your blog's URL. Okay, and because some of those URLs can be kind of long, we'll go ahead and do paragraph text so it doesn't cut those off. We also want to make that a required question, and we are going to say done. Okay, and so now I have a live form. And you'll notice that I need to put a title in. So let's go back. Okay. And now I should be able to view the live form. And now I have 5th grade blogs. You'll notice that the students will then put their first name, their last name, choose their teacher, put in their blog URL, and click submit. And then this will enable me to actually collect that information from students, and I can actually view it in a spreadsheet. So you'll notice I'm back in the edit form, and to review or see the responses, you can simply go to review responses. So as you can see, I've had 22 students complete the form for me. And when I go to view responses, then it comes through in a spreadsheet, which makes it really easy to find these URLs or these projects. So you'll notice that they are just sorted by timestamp, but if I would like to sort by either the class period or the teacher's name, I can do that, and I'm going to sort those so that I have Dr. Laughlin's students all together, then Mr. Turner's, and then Mrs. Evans. And I can just simply click on those URLs and go straight to those, or I can copy and paste those into an RSS feed, which I'm going to show you how to do next. So this is a super quick tutorial on how to use Google Forms to collect projects from students that are directly created from URLs.